How to delete all TikTok reposts at once. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the For You page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of profile given at the bottom right corner. With that you'll land to your profile page. Now over here you're gonna find different icons. Click on this one icon. With that you're gonna find all of your reposted videos. Now how to remove all these reposts at once. As if right now there is no such option within TikTok to delete all the reposts at once, but you can delete repost one by one. For that, open the video. Now at the right corner of the video, you will find the share icon. Click on it. Now click on this option of remove repost. With that, you have just removed repost for this video. By applying the same process, you can delete all the reposted videos. But in the case you have used number of reposts, what you can do is click on these three bars given at the top right corner. Now click on this option of settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on this option, report a problem. Now scroll all the way down. Click on this option, submit a report. Now over here you have to explain that you have used number of reposts and you want to delete all those reposts. It is very time consuming, so you can request TikTok support to delete all the reposts at once. Once you explain about your issue, you can submit it. After you submit your request, within 24 hours you will get the reply from the TikTok support team. By following these steps, you can delete all TikTok reposts at once. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.